Hello everyone, welcome to my channel today, a channel with a target for knowledge and growth. On this channel, every video is a step towards enlightenment. So are you ready to embark on a journey filled with knowledge, inspiration and empowerment? Then look no further, you are at the right place. If you are a returning viewer or a new viewer here, make sure to stick around because today we are diving into more career options when it comes to mechanical engineering Ausbildung in Germany. By watching this video, you're not just benefiting yourself, you are also becoming a platform of information, you're becoming a beacon of knowledge for your family, friends, and community. So how do we reach more amazing people like you? By helping us spread the wealth of information, by sharing our videos to those around you. Together, we create a network of informed and inspired individuals. So I encourage you, hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that when we drop our new videos, our latest videos, you are the first to know. Your journey into integrating into Germany through vocational training must be a success. So why choose Germany? Germany is renowned for its robust vocational training system, offering a unique blend of hands-on experience and academic learning. It is a perfect place to develop skills in a practical settings, and this opens doors to multitude of career opportunities. Vocational training can be a ladder to your career success in Germany. So the vocational training system in Germany allows you to earn and learn as well. Today's video is a continuation video, and it's all about Berufe in Metallbau, that is professions in metal construction. When it comes to mechanical engineering and you're interested in metal construction, this is a continuation video. Career options 1 to 4 have been discussed in the playlist, and you can find this video in the Mechanical Engineering Ausbildung playlist in my channel. So I'll be discussing the fifth and the sixth career options. I'll be discussing 2 more career options today when it comes to mechanical engineering and you want to go into the area of metal construction. The first career option I'll be discussing today is the industry isolering, that is industrial insulator. The duration is 3 years and it's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. The duration is 3 years. It's a recognized training. Do you need a certificate apart from a German language? I will always encourage you, if you have not started your German language, what are you waiting for? And if you have, a big thumbs up to you. If you have finished a big part at the back, you've done very well. Today, if you want to go into this career option with your Hochschulreife, that is your university qualification certificate, your Hauptschulabschluss, that is your secondary school leaving certificate, or your Realschulabschluss, your intermediate school leaving certificate, your high school leaving certificate. And with any of the certificates, your German language, you're accepted into this vocational training. So what do you do? Industrial insulation specialist. You want to become an industrial insulation specialist. What do? You insulate pipes, you insulate containers or machines and buildings in industrial facilities. You insulate them. What do? You insulate them to reduce energy losses or noise emission, or to prevent harmful effects such as moisture. Depending on specific tasks such as the installation objective or the on-site conditions that you are expected to do, you plan the work processes, you select suitable materials for the installation technique, and you set up the construction site. You also install soundproof insulation panels in walls and ceilings, and you try to reduce noise or install fire barriers for preventive fire protection. You encase refrigeration systems and cold water pipes or hot water or steam pipes. You also install vapor barriers to prevent water vapor from penetrating the roof or wall structures or from causing damage. If necessary, you then cover the finished insulation with sheet metal or plastic cladding to protect it from damage or weather influences or for other reasons. So where do you find employment? Industrial insulation specialist. When it comes to industries, you insulate industries from noise emission. Industries that are into large production, and instead of the noise coming out and disturbing the environment, you make sure you insulate the industry with insulation materials. So where do you find employment? You find employment in companies that install or manufacture cold, heat, or sound insulation equipment for industrial production facilities. So you are those that are into these materials, that are into the production of these insulation materials, the companies where it's being manufactured. You can find employment there. You can also find employment in production facilities or machines, where machines are being insulated against heat, against cold or noise. So that is where you find employment. You are basically into noise reduction, vapor, heat, energy emission, everything that has to do with noise pollution or vapor or energy losses, things like that. You prevent, and you also prevent the building from harmful fire, maybe fire. You insulate pipes, you insulate walls, ceiling, you insulate everything that is in the industry to reduce noise pollution. So that is where you find employment. So we come to the end of the first career option when it comes to mechanical engineering, when it comes to Berufe in metal bow, that is professions in metal construction. This career option is 3 years and it's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. It is a recognized training. So we are going into the second part of the video, which is the second career option when it comes to this area of specialization. So I'll see you in that part. See you there. So welcome back. The second career option, has a picture beside me showing Isolierfacharbeiten. That is Isolierfacharbeiten. That is insulator skilled worker. The duration is 2 years and it's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. If you have your German language certificate, yes, and your Hochschulreife, Hauptschulabschluss, Realschulabschluss, any of the certificates, and that is your university qualification certificates, your university entrance qualification certificate, your high school leaving certificate, your secondary school leaving certificate, you can get into this vocational training. So what do you do? The process selects suitable materials and insulation techniques and set up the construction site. You install sound absorbing insulation panels into the walls, ceilings, and you dampen machine noise, or you install fire barriers and for preventive fire protection. You also install vapor retarders and vapor barriers to prevent water vapor from penetrating the walls and structures of industries that can cause major damage. Where do you find employment? You find employment in companies that install or manufacture cold, heat, and sound insulation equipment for industrial production facilities. Here, the first is 3 years, and here you have 2 years because it's skilled. In companies, you find employment there where there are production facilities that are producing machines against heat, cold, loss, or noise. That is where you find employment too. So this second career path, this is also an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. The only difference from the first is the first is 3 years, and here we have just 2 years. That is why it's called insulator skilled worker. It's 2 years if you want to go into this vocational training as well. So we have come to the end of the second career option as well. We have come to the end of the video. If my video has helped you, kindly share with family and friends, like and comment. And finally, if you haven't subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that when we drop our next video when it comes to this vocational training in Germany, in this career path, you are the first to know. And we have more exciting career options that are coming your way. Don't give up on your careers, because only you can stop you. I will see you in my next